Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the video call problem in your device OnePlus 10 and 10 Pro. Before starting, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 10 and 10 Pro you are having issues related to the video call, like your video call is not progressing or you are unable to do the video call, you can solve these problems by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the video call problem in your device.